Hi, welcome to the 5-minute website makeover video series. In every video, I'm going to share with you one tips to help you improve your website so that you can make more money. In the last video, I talked about the importance of including relevant information in your website so that when people search online, they can relate to what they want to what you have to offer so that people will be able to work on with you. My name is LeikHong. I'm a business coach. Together with my partner from 𝗪𝗪𝗧, we are here to help you with your website. The header is the first thing people see when they come to your website. But from our experience, we come across many companies who have done their header all wrong. They created unclear header with so much of confusion that visitors don't understand what they are offered. When people are confused, your customer don't buy. When you are designing your header, make sure that your header answers these 3 questions. Number 1, what do you offer? You need to tell customer clearly what are the products and services that you are providing. Number 2, how are you going to make your customer life better? Why should customer buy from you, and how your product and services going to improve your customer life? Lastly, number 3, an obvious call to action. What do customers need to do should they want to buy from you? You need to advise them the next step of action if customers are interested in what you are doing. Remember, please include all these 3 steps into your header. And lastly, remember, avoid using industry jargon. Use simple and easy to understand language. When you confuse your customer, you lose. I'll see you in the next video. And if you'd like to download the complete website template, click on the link in the description below.